Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look back at a tragic event that unfolded on the beautiful island of Bali, a day that serves as a stark reminder of how quickly a dream vacation can turn into a nightmare. Our story takes us to November 18th, 2013. Bali, known as the Island of the Gods, is a dream destination for millions. Its lush landscapes, vibrant culture, and stunning beaches attract travelers from all over the world. For a group of 13 tourists from China, this was supposed to be a day of exploration and adventure. They were traveling from Denpasar, the bustling capital of Bali, heading north towards the serene region of Buleleng, famous for its waterfalls and black sand beaches. They had rented a minibus, a common way for tourist groups to navigate the island's winding roads. The journey took them towards the southern part of the island, near the famous Uluwatu Temple, an area known for its dramatic cliffs and scenic views. But as their minibus navigated these picturesque roads, the unthinkable happened. According to the official reports from local police, the driver suddenly lost control of the vehicle. It's a terrifying scenario to imagine. On one side, another car was approaching, and on the other, the unforgiving edge of the road. In a split-second decision, the driver attempted an evasive maneuver. He swerved the bus, aiming to hit a tree to stop the vehicle and avoid a head-on collision. It was a desperate attempt to prevent a worse disaster. However, the momentum was too great. Instead of coming to a halt, the impact sent the minibus careening off the road. It plunged into a shallow ravine below. The scene must have been one of chaos and terror. Emergency services rushed to the site. The aftermath was heartbreaking. Local residents and first responders worked tirelessly to rescue the passengers from the wreckage. The injured were immediately transported to the nearest hospital for urgent medical care. The driver of the minibus survived the crash, but was also injured. Tragically, despite the best efforts of everyone involved, the accident claimed the lives of 5 of the Chinese tourists. 8 other passengers sustained injuries, thankfully described as light. The news sent shockwaves through the local community and the tourism industry in Bali. An idyllic holiday had ended in profound loss. This incident from 2013 highlights the critical importance of road safety, especially in popular tourist destinations where visitors might not be familiar with local driving conditions. The roads in Bali, while scenic, can be narrow, winding, and sometimes congested. For drivers, whether local or visitors, constant vigilance is key. For tour operators and rental agencies, ensuring vehicles are well maintained and drivers are experienced and well rested is a massive responsibility. When we travel, we place a lot of trust in the people and services that facilitate our journey. This story is a solemn reminder to always prioritize safety. Before you book a tour or rent a vehicle abroad, take a moment to research the company. Look for reviews, check their safety records if possible, and always wear your seatbelt. It's a simple action that can make a life or death difference. Accidents like this are a painful part of the reality of travel, but they also lead to important conversations about improving safety standards for everyone. Our hearts go out to the families and friends of the victims of this terrible accident. Their dream trip ended in a way no one could have ever imagined, and their loss is a poignant reminder for all of us to travel safely and look out for one another. Thank you for joining me today to reflect on this story. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. Stay safe in your travels, and we'll see you in the next one.